Get your kicks on Route 66. Embark on the ultimate RV adventure across America's most iconic highway, where every mile tells a story. From the Windy City to the Wild West, trace the footsteps of history as you roll through 7 states on the Mother Road. Discover big city sights, small town charm, and the nostalgic glow of neon signs that still light the way for dreamers and wanderers. Experience the classic diners, vintage cars, and quirky roadside attractions that make Route 66 unforgettable, all while traveling with friends who share your sense of adventure. Feel the freedom of the open road as you cruise past wide-open plains, red rock deserts, and mountain horizons. Every day brings new discoveries, stories, and memories. Soak up the sunshine as you roll through California. From the desert's rugged beauty to the coastal charm of Santa Monica, where Route 66 meets the Pacific breeze. With Fantasy RV Tours, you don't just drive Route 66, you live it. Every detail is planned, every mile unforgettable. Join the Fantasy family, travel with confidence, and see America the way it was meant to be seen. Visit fantasyrvtours.com to learn more and subscribe to our channel for more guided RV experiences.